everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very quick and easy and delicious appetizer recipe. Sweet peas and corn. Boil it for 5 minutes, then we'll drain the water. Garbanzos are pre-cooked. Fresh tomatoes, onion, carrot, green chili, celery, cilantro, and fresh lemon juice. Spices for masala dabba, and we're going to use chaat masala and olive oil. Get a pot. We're going to add sweet corn. Add peas. Add water. Half teaspoon salt. Stir it once. This is good. We'll place it on the gas and we'll boil it for 5 minutes. It's nice and boiling. I'm going to turn off the gas and we're going to drain the water. Sweet peas and sweet corn. They are fully cooked. Drain the water and let it cool down for 5 minutes. Green chili, carrot, cilantro, celery, tomato, onion cut into small pieces. Garbanzos we wash with the cold water and drain the water. Now we're going to get the mixing bowl. We're going to add garbanzos, chickpeas. This is sweet corn and sweet peas. Mix it. Add onion, tomato, celery, carrots, green chili, coriander leaf, dhania, which is cilantro. Now we're going to mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add salt. It's always to taste. Black pepper, olive oil. Now we're going to mix it again. So once it's nicely combined, now we're going to add chaat masala. If you haven't tried it, please try it. It's very tasty. Mix it again. Now we're going to add lemon juice. So after squeezing the lemon juice, now we're going to mix it one last time. Our sweet peas, sweet corn, chickpeas appetizer is all ready. I'll dish out. This is very easy and quick to make, and it's very delicious appetizer. You can eat it any time of the day. Some more cilantro, and let me share with you. As you see, it's very easy and quick to make sweet peas, sweet corn, and chickpea appetizer. Please try it and you're going to like it. And you always can add more cilantro prior to serving. If you like this appetizer recipe, please like, share, and comment below how it turned out for you. And like always, like, share, and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.